Sent to us. We purchased these. So right now we're looking around at the specs. I never used it before. It's a black one we picked. Does need some batteries, so we're gonna put that in and we're gonna give it a test run, me and my daughter. As you see, it does say age 6. So right now we're gonna open this box up and start playing with it and see what we got out of it. We got our super cool race cars. Cool toy. We did it, and it was pretty easy to put the batteries in. As you the controller that we got, as you see, it just slides. Pretty easy. As you see, I did that with one hand, and putting the batteries in the bottom is just an easy, as you see, and it slides out, and then you just slide it in. You don't, no screwdriver needed, no tools. That was pretty.
On your mark, get set, go.
See how you guys do. Oh, they're doing pretty good. They haven't tipped it yet. Oh, look at that. Alright, on your marks. Get set, go. Go.
We got our super cool race cars.